federal appeals court in Texas last week upheld parts of a new controversial law blocking local sanctuary city policies across the state. Those policies ignore federal immigration law. Cities that have them don't turn over illegal immigrants who are criminals to the federal government. Joining us now, Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton, who defends his state's law. The law outlaws sanctuary cities. Welcome to the program.
Thank you for having me.
Thanks for coming back. You're defending it. Why is it so important to defend that law?
Well, one is my job is to defend all Texas law. Second of all, this is passed by duly elected representatives of our state and then signed by our governor. So it's a good policy, and we're going to defend it.
Why is it being fought?
Well, because I think it's a safety issue. It really is. It's about protecting people in our state from illegals who have either been charged with a crime or suspected of a crime or who have committed crimes. So this isn't about any other category of people. It is about criminals or suspected criminals that need to be deported.
I think people don't understand that. I think that they get a little confused. Tell me if I'm wrong. That what about immigrants seeking a better life? What about how do we balance that law with compassion? This is about criminals.
That's correct. This, I think, a false narrative by others who are opposed to this, who are not actually stating what the bill does. But read the bill. It is about criminals and illegals and that category alone.
Let's switch to abortion laws in your state. In November, the state of Texas is taking Planned Parenthood to court. And you're seeking to overturn a court decision that blocks Texas from cutting off state Medicaid funding to the abortion provider. Why are you doing this?
Well, our governor and our Health and Human Services decided to cut off funding to Planned Parenthood because they were doing unethical practices, doing procedures they shouldn't have done. There's videos that support this. And so in November, we have the opportunity, 5-day trial, where we get to expose exactly what Planned Parenthood is doing.
And you're also involved in a dismemberment case?
That's correct. So the legislature, again, passed by the legislature this last spring, passed a dismemberment abortion ban so that you can no longer dismember babies that are unborn. And so we were sued over that. We're now defending that, and we'll be defending that also in November.
Who sued you?
So we were sued by just various groups that are opposed to it.
Yeah, and they are saying basically this is unconstitutional, I would imagine?
Yes, they are. So the argument that the legislature, even though it was duly passed, that it's unlawful, and we're pretty confident we can defend it.
All right. Thank you so much for joining us. Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton.
Thanks for having me on. Appreciate it.